Let the great debarking commence. So all the big pieces are done. Now all the little ones, except those. This bark is very conjoined to the wood. Makes small separations here and there, but it's gonna be a lot easier sanding it off than it is trying to struggle it off with a chisel. And all the fig wood is debarked. Still not gonna do the mulberry. Next, hemlock and then a little bit of ailanthus. Yeah, if you don't have a mallet, a wooden block works just fine. Just make sure it's softwood. It won't hurt your chisel. Zero damage. Brand new still. And finally, all done. Took way longer than expected, but we're there at least. Le pile.